Do you feel you need help in your business and you got hooked by the idea to hire a virtual assistant? If you are not sure about which tasks to transfer first, this video is for you. Stay until the end because I have a big gift for you. I'm Zsófia of Myprocesses and I help busy entrepreneurs to automate and outsource their time-consuming tasks without sacrificing their profit. So, if you are looking to make the 4-hour workweek a reality or simply avoid burnout, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release a new video like this. Congratulations! If you are here, I assume you already realize you need help in your business, either to grow faster or to avoid burnout, or even to make this magical 4-hour workweek a reality, as Tim Ferriss teaches. Whichever is true, let's have a look on the type of tasks you can start giving to a virtual assistant, and I will announce a gift in the end to help you more. Follow me to see what are the 5 categories of tasks that you should outsource. Type 1. You cannot do it. A typical example is accounting. Unless you are an accountant yourself, probably you are not an expert. The future of your business is actually relies on your finances, so you want to keep those finances in an expert hand. Outsourcing your accounting and bookkeeping is something you must do as soon as you can. To be very honest, even sooner than you can afford. Otherwise, the risk of penalties and financial losses are quite high. By the way, I will soon release a video on how to outsource your bookkeeping and accounting, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet and click the bell, therefore you will be notified. Type 2. You hate doing it. PowerPoint presentations, for example, I hear others saying that it's their best time to use their creativity. Well, I feel my creativity is floating when creating videos, but when working on PowerPoint presentations, I always end up spending tons of time on tiny details, then get frustrated with the formatting and the colors and so on. I hate doing it. Also, I am a person of handwriting, so I take my notes on my remarkable paper tablet, forward it to my assistant who prepares gorgeous presentations. Problem solved, no stress. What is the thing that you hate doing? Type 3. Someone can do it better. For me, it is content writing. I enjoy talking, but when I have to sit down and put it in writing, ouch! By the way, have you already seen my video on how to outsource your content creation? Type 4. You should not do it. Probably the hardest thing to realize, but the most useful. There are tasks that you can do actually better than anyone else. You might even enjoy it, but do you really have to do them? Maybe it eats up your time, your energy. You could improve your business in the same time, earn more money, plan strategically if someone else was doing these tasks. Be honest with yourself. The only way you can become the creator of your company if you let these burdens go. Type 5. Cash generator. This is the cherry on the cake. If you have a task that generates cash, it can be trained and someone would do it cheaper than the amount you earn on it. Set up the process, save the headache, and keep the cash. Take a real first step now. Follow the link below this video and download your free gift, a list of most common tasks that can be outsourced, and read it through, keeping in mind the points I just showed you. Let me know what you have found out. Leave a comment below, or even better, book now a scale-up consultation until there are spots available, and let's put things in moving together. Until my next video, stop firefighting and be the creator of your company.